Ladies and gentlemen, what is up everyone and welcome back to the part 3 of the Generation Speed vlog series. And मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हो there are a very cool modified cars that are present right behind me. And guys, हम इनको देखेंगे आज along with an overview of the event as I promised to you guys in the part 2 of this vlog. अगर आपने part 1 and part 2 नहीं देखा है तो make sure you check that out and make sure you subscribe. And अगर आप पूछोगे कि इन सारे events के अपडेट कैसे मिलते हैं तो brother or sister, you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link is down below या ID यहाँ पर flash हो रही रहेगी. So yeah, बढ़ते हैं towards this beautiful lineup of modified cars. So yeah, so we have got the Mitsubishi Pajero from the Auto Diesel Performance. Here's the Black Bath over here in its new avatar, looking nice. By the way, this is India's first and only Maruti Suzuki 800, which has been converted into an rear-wheel drive, and now it's a drift car. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Like, imagine करो, आपके पास Maruti 800 है, and you can literally convert this car into a rear-wheel drive and drift with it. How cool is that? This is F10 Dalal's 3 Series, which is also a drift car. ये गाड़ी हमने देखी at the Whip Mantra, drifting it as mad as possible. Here is a Swift which has been bagged, if you can see, and I guess ये भी kind of it's a drift car. I'm not sure, but yeah, here's a Baleno, and भाई इसका engine block check करो. I mean, this should be something very special. Drift लिखा है मतलब this car has to be a drift car. Here's a Pajero with a lot of camping setup, as you guys can see. And when it comes to Mark 1 VRS, ये गाड़ी जो है, this should be or it is India's best Mark 1 VRS when it comes to modification, when it comes to all the exterior as well as interior changes. And ये गाड़ी, if you remember, we saw this car at the underground event by Tapasvi Racing. So yeah, I'm very happy to see this car back again. And here's a Civic, which you all guys might be familiar. अगर आपने Fast and Furious movie देखा है, so this was the car that was used in a movie. I guess that was a hatchback version, and ये वाला it's more of a sedan. So yeah, यहाँ पर when we come, we have got the Ford Endeavour with a Raptor kit on it with those huge tires, as you guys can see. And there's another Accord, the best looking Accord probably in Pune or in India, I would say. This has got that Transformers wala look, and this car is from Pune. Here we have India's fastest Polo probably, because आप देख सकते हो इसका आगे का जो भी है, it is completely made out of carbon fiber. The headlights भी निकाल दी है, and it is naked carbon fiber. Literally, let me show you up that from the close. If you can see the difference, bro, fuck, like what the heck. पीछे का पार्ट छोड़ के पूरी गाड़ी, even the doors are of carbon fibers. This is epic. This is just amazing. ये वाला carbon fiber, ये दोनों doors carbon fiber. This panel over here, the hood, even the headlights, if you can see, the front bonnet, and यहाँ पर तो काट ही दिया है literally. आपको क्या लगता है इस गाड़ी के बारे में? कमेंट करो नीचे and let me know your thoughts. गबरू तो मन जानन लगभग ये I mean, मेरे को लिरिक्स पता नहीं, but yeah, this is the Gabru, this is the monster truck all the way from Kashmir region. Hi, this is crazy. This guy or the owner has got to be a Sidhu Moosewala fan. Okay guys, we have the Red Bull bike along with the driver, do some stunts, pairing with the AMG C63S.
the sedan. And we've got another Audi. Is the gorgeous green M2 powerhouse filter track corners, followed by the Rock Series M3 Swap power packs for insane performance. That's why we have Mickey. Also from
Check this out, boys. We have got the Lambo Huracan Technica from Mumbai. Crazy भाई. शेखर सर, लास्ट टाइम सारखा प्रश्न. कधी येते आपली गाडी?
आपली गाडी दिवाळी
दिवाळी चालेल चालेल.
Okay.
फिक्स
बरं आजची गाडी बघून घ्या आपली
हो हो हो
जनरल स्पीड
दाखवलेली आहे. मी ती एक ऑर्डर करायला टाकली आहे GT3 RS. तर बघू कधी येते.
इलेक्ट्रिक
पुणे सीन पुणे पोस्ट GT3. तो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो अभी हम आ चुके हैं ऊपर नीचे से एंड ये व्यू चेक करो एक बार. क्या ही लग रहा है. लाइक लिटरली वी हैव गॉट द सन, द कार्स, द सुपर कार्स, ऑल द रेसिंग गोइंग ऑन ओवर देयर. एंड यहाँ पर मेरे सामने चल रहा है सब ड्रिफ्ट एक्शन. यू कैन सी हाउ क्रेजी दैट इज.
Generation Speed.
Guys, this car is gonna be
That's
racing
right,
right
in
now.
the Formula 4 car,
Formula 4.
we have Sandeep Kumar.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Guys, can you just imagine what car has pulled up over here? It's like crazy. Check this out. Boys, it's literally the Hummer EV right in front of me. I mean, I've sat in like the OG Hummer H2, but let's see, like today, अगर आपको chance मिलता है to get inside and check out the car, let's hope for the best, boys. Okay guys, the unthinkable happened. We have got the keys to the Hummer GMC EV and you can check this out. We've got the car right in front of us. We are gonna unlock it right now. Damn, check out those headlights. Let's hop inside and I'll show you how this car looks from the inside. This is going to be epic. Bro, I am finally inside the Hummer EV. Let's close or shut the door. You can see the Hummer EV badging coming right up there on the dashboard. Bro, this is crazy. भाई क्या बढ़िया लग रहा है ये. Okay guys, अभी right now मैं Hummer EV में बैठा हूँ and I didn't even imagine like it would be so easy and like helpful from the Friday Night Cars team, and it's really an honor to sit inside this car and get to see it up close. You have got this very big screen, as you guys can see. Even the dashboard screen is as huge as that is. The AC vents check karo kitne bade hai. These are the door handles, and of course when you're in this car you literally feel that you are in a big SUV, the big daddy of SUVs, the Hummer. And आप देख सकते हो तो ऊपर इसके detachable roof है which you can remove and you get open view of this section right here, and पीछे भी same है. Even those tools are the detachable roof components. So अगर आप वो भी निकाल देते हो तो पूरी गाड़ी ओपन रहती है, सिर्फ ये फ्रेम बीच में की रह जाती है. एंड पीछे भी काफी ज्यादा बढ़िया स्पेस है, as you guys can see. So yes, thank you so much Friday Night Cars for letting me experience this Hummer EV. A huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Let's close the door. Damn, this is a mad machine, literally. आप check करो इसके rims and इसका suspension height is the biggest on any car in the world. पीछे से कुछ ऐसी दिखती है ये कार. Of course, this has got to be the OG EV you can get in the market right now. Okay guys, when we got the Hummer EV, we have got the Godzilla, the GTR from Game Over Motorsports.
An American legend, we have the Dodge on the line, the Wiper is ready to launch out of our Speedway line. Let's do it for the 170 Speedway. Let's Wiper, make some noise! 3, 2, 1. And moving into the next lane, another car. That's going to be speeding down the speedway is the gorgeous Beast in Black, the BMW X3.